Hey everyone, James Reeves, SHOT Show 2024, last day. Thank God, I'm dying. I'm here with my buddy Chris, fresh as a daisy right here. I'm leaving the booth yesterday after we had filmed 3 or 4 videos, and I'm on the firearm blog. Yeah. I'm on the firearm. Okay.
You got all the pictures too, of course. Everybody wants pictures with you. So.
I'm here at the booth. I'm leaving. I'm on the firearm blog this morning. And they're like, oh yeah, MP7 at the B&T booth. And I'm like, excuse me? And they're like, oh no, it's the Tommybuilt, like Tommy Bostic MP7. And it's like, no, I've seen that before. I think it was like $25,000 or something like that, where Tommy had taken a parts kit and cobbled together an MP7. And I thought that's what you guys had here. But Tommybuilt is going to be introducing the MP7 like a Tommybuilt MP7 this year, right?
Yeah, that's correct. It's called the T7, and unfortunately, he was here all week, and he is gone this morning, or yesterday afternoon. So the gun is actually right here. It does not come with a B&T suppressor, but we are the OEM for the H&K suppressor. It's a B&T suppressor. So this is the LMX. But essentially, this is like built from the ground up. Like Tommy's done a number of other HK, unicorns that you can't get in, and they're all parts correct. Anything that he can't import, he has had made. This comes as a pistol. I want to say there's 500 of them to start, but I know that as soon as a video went live 2 days ago, he got an additional 3,000 orders.
Yeah.
And I know he's got genuine, they do ship as a pistol, but there's another end plate that has an retractable stock, and then the flip grip that's M-Lock compatible. You buy those as accessories, but it is.
It looks like the real deal. But Tommy's really good at that.
He really is, and no detail was left untouched. The thing is just. Look at it.
Yeah, no, I thought it was legitimately an MP7. It looks great. Again, Tommy Bostic did my G36. I got a G36 parts kit. He put it all together, and it looks, functions, is more or less an HK G36K. So this is extremely impressive. The guy's extremely talented. He is going to buy a f***ing yacht whenever he's done with it. People have been asking for this for years. Chris, I know you're doing this by proxy because Tommy's not here, but pricing and availability, what's it going to be?
So within the next 2 months, they're going to ship, and pricing is going to be somewhere like $3,500 or $3,995. So I think that they are on the verge of shipping. Like I said, I know he's got 500 of them, and plans to do others, and I think that he's got plans to do other colors. He's working on it.
Talk to me about the suppressor. That's y'all's deal, so I want to, of course, give you some shine here.
The thing is, nobody makes an MP7 suppressor except for us. We make it for HK. Any of the units that you see floating around, their pictures leaked. Look at the suppressor. It's actually a different suppressor that you can still order from us, and that you can order from Tommy as well. So they're all going to be clone correct. But this is the new version of it. It's called the LMX, and it has a more streamlined mounting system. Does mount to the factory flash hider of the MP7, and it's lighter and smaller.
Yeah, and a lot of people may not know that my Uncle Carl has been doing HK's OEM suppressors for years.
Yes.
Years.
Correct. So yeah, like I said, if a unit buys this thing with a suppressor, they get our suppressor with it. If they don't, we sell it to them. But yeah, they are, totally signed off on by HK, and if you know the Germans, they rigorously test everything.
Sure.
So.
And you guys do great work, so I know that the fact that it's quite an endorsement to be packaged with HK. Speaking of endorsement, I'm going to give you guys a little plug. One thing we talked about in another one of our videos, if you guys want any legacy B&T suppressor, you want something, you're a cloner, you're one of those guys, they'll do it for you. That's kind of a new thing. You guys are pretty much anything in your old catalog you'll do, right?
Yeah, anything. Yep. Yeah, we've got between 500 and 600 different suppressor SKUs. Some stuff's known, some stuff is unknown. And yeah, we'll make it. You want it, there's not really a minimum order quantity either. So go see your dealer. Dealer can special order it for you.
That is one of the biggest pieces of SHOT news. I think that's cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, Chris, thanks for doing this. I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching TFBTV Showtime. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2024.
creator.